United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Part 7, High Seas, Section 1. General Provisions, Article 86. Application of the provisions of this part. The provisions of this part apply to all parts of the sea that are not included in the exclusive economic zone, in the territorial sea, or in the internal waters of a state, or in the archipelagic waters of an archipelagic state. This article does not entail any abridgement of the freedoms enjoyed by all states in the exclusive economic zone in accordance with Article 58.